I have just had the most amazing news from one of the mums of the children that I teach. Henry from Lakeside is going to be on national radio tomorrow talking to Chris Evans on The Breakfast Show on Virgin Radio. So you can all tune in. Better than that, you can all join in because Henry is going to be playing Happy Birthday. Now in a minute, I'm going to quickly play for you Happy Birthday as we normally do in our sessions. We're going to be using the chords of C7, F and squish. Some of you older ones will know squish as B flat. But I thought some of you older ones might like a challenge as well, so I'm going to quickly talk about tab. On ukulele, tab is a type of map that shows where the notes are on the strings. Now, I'm holding my ukulele as I normally would to play it, but when you're reading tab, it can get confusing. The bottom line of tab is actually the string that when you're playing a ukulele is at the top. So I'm going to show you a trick. If you get confused with tab when you're reading it, turn your ukulele so that it's right in front of the tab. And then you can see that the G line here at the bottom is the G line or string that you play here. So any numbers written on your G is for the G string. Any numbers written on your C line is for your C string. So here on our C string, here is C string here. There is a number 2 written and that is the note of D. So if you press down on your number 2 fret here on your C string, you will get the note of D. And it sounds like this. So I'm going to turn around and face you now, and I'm going to press down on the number 2 fret, look, the number 2 fret of my C string, and that is the note of D. D. So turn back the ukulele. Here is my E string. So it's not at the very top, that's the A string. It's this one where we have our yellow sticker. And on our E string, if we press on fret 1, we get F, and fret 3 is G. You can also play G by playing your G string. You can choose how you play your G. So here is your E string. I'm going to turn it round to the front. Here's E string, E, and number 1 fret, where you've got your F sticker, is F. And your number 3 fret, here it is G. And I also said, and I'm not lying, if you play this string, which is the G next to me, it's the same, G. Just about. Okay, so there's your G. Now to carry on your A string, turn my ukulele round so you can see this string here is your A string. We've got B and C and D and E and F and G, depending on how ambitious you are. Okay, so A, fret 2 is B, fret 3 is C. Let's just get to that, okay? Because that's all you're going to really need for Happy Birthday. So here is your A string. Remember, A is far away. Do you remember? A, bang in the middle B, on fret 2, and on fret 3, high sticker C, okay? A, B, C. Now if you slow down the video or turn it off and have a practice, you can have a go at C, 2nd fret D, or difficult D, stringy E, sticker F, G, either on your 3rd fret here, or on your G is next to me string, A, far away, 2nd fret bang in the middle B, 3rd fret C. Then, for those children that are really keen, number 1 finger goes on to fret number 5, you get your D, then you get your stretch to E, Next door is friendly F. And stretch again to G, it's high up here. D, E, F, G. Once you know where all your notes are, you can start reading music. It's so simple. So go home and practice, or rather not go home, be at home because you are. Get out your ukulele and practice tab. C, D, E, F, G, or G there, on the G is next to me. A, B, C, and for those who are really ambitious, finger 1 goes to D, stretch to E, next door friendly F, and then G, it's high up here. Okay, so there's your tab. Okay, good luck with your tab. Bye!